Hello and welcome to Specifi. Today we're going to look at adding products to rooms. We access the proposal through the Proposal and Projects drop-down and the Proposals tile. We access our rooms from the Build tile. Our first job is to create our rooms, place any images on, and prepare the job for products to be added. Once we are happy with our room layout, we can enter a room by clicking View Room. We can also jump to the next and previous rooms using these bars here, and we can also access labor on a room basis. We also have a toggle between client and installer mode. While in installer mode, trade prices will be visible on the screen, but you may have a client or somebody sensitive around you while you're working, so you can select client mode, which will hide any trade pricing. When adding a product, we click Add Products. The first tab we are placed on is called My Product Catalog, which acts as an automatic favorites button. The next tab along is the Grader database. You also have access to your bundles, favorites, customs, and your recents. Once you locate an item you wish to add, you can click on that item and you can open up the global properties. Within the global properties, there are certain conditions that we can change around the item. By default, there is no description shown on our customer-facing sales proposal. You can type your own description or copy one from above. If you wish for the name to be different to what is presented at the top, you can enter a new name in the product name override, and you can make that the default for usage in the future. If you wish to simply change the retail price of a product, that can be done here, and also the sales tax rate. If you wish your customer to see a discount, you can use the discount section, which can be done by percentage or as a whole number. We have access to the dealer cost and the dealer cost tax rate, and also a representation of your margin. We can set a tag for when the product is normally ordered. This relates to our purchase orders. And if our product has an IP address, we can assign it one of our network categories. If we wish to produce a systems view, we can also assign a system. These can be defaulted. If you would like any cables to fall on the cable schedule, they can be added from the cables drop-down, and any additional cables can be added in system settings. We can add both a cable and a purpose. Then we are able to estimate how long this product will take to install. We can separate this among our different roles, and we can save these as defaults. At this point, we can either choose to add this to our project and close this window. We can add it to the project and leave it open so that more products can be added to the comms room, or we can click on Add to Multiple Rooms, which allows us to select multiple areas, and we can select specific quantities for those areas. Once a product has been added to a room, it will appear in the room like this. You will see any tags for systems in the top left corner, the breakdown of the installation time on the blue box, and the particulars of its pricing. If you wish to access the settings again, you can press Edit, and this will bring you back to the settings where you can change product details, times, and global properties. The process of building a proposal in Specifi is as simple as locating the items you wish to add and filling in the details. Thank you.